In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my no-fail pizza doughs, and what makes this video really fun is that we're going to be trying out the brand new Cuisinart stand mixer. This model here is called the Precision Master, and it is a 5.5 quart model. That's equal to 5.2 liters. So we're going to have some fun today making pizza, so let's get started. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. This is equal to exactly 450 grams. To that, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of quick rising yeast. This is exactly 4 grams. Then we'll add in a half a teaspoon of salt. This is 2 grams. I have 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. This is equal to exactly 12 grams. And then I'm going to grab a whisk and I'm going to stir all of this together. There is so much flour in here that it is protecting that yeast from the salt. I have been doing this method for over 30 years. I have never had anything go wrong. So that's good. Perfect. And then I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and that is equal to 34 grams. And for our last ingredient, I'm going to add in exactly 300 grams of water. That is equal to 1 cup and 5 tablespoons. And my water is exactly at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to get that right in there. I'll turn the mixer so that you can see it. Right here there's a little lever. I push that down and now I can lift the whole machine upward. I'm going to get this in and then I just give it a little bit of a twist to lock it in. We'll get our dough hook on. And then once again to the back you press the little button, bring it down, that locks it, and now I'm going to turn it on to speed number 1. So this is the first time that I'm making pizza dough with this, so I am going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to let it go for a minute or 2 and then I'll come back. So at this point my dough has been mixing for about 1 minute and you can see that it's already done a nice job at combining the dough. And now I'm going to put my timer on and I'm going to let this go for a full 8 minutes. Now I'm on speed number 1. I could increase it to speed number 2. Let's just turn it up to 2. And I think I will leave it at speed number 2. I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to come back. I'm going to set my timer 8 minutes and then I'll come back. So here we are again. 8 minutes later, we are done. So in the back, there's a little lever. I press it and then I can just lift this up. That will just lock it into place. And then I just simply turn my bowl and I will remove the dough hook, remove it from the machine. One thing I noticed about this machine, it is very quiet. That is always nice. Make sure I'm on camera here. And then we'll just remove the dough and you can see that this dough is really nice. Very, very supple. Let's just get it off the dough hook. You want to make sure you don't waste any. That's good. And then I've got a little plastic scraper. Just go around and get my dough out. That's good. That is nice dough. It's nice. I'm just going to push it out. I'm just going to make a ball. I don't really want to add any flour to this. That's good. And what I have here is a little container. This is a Rubbermaid take-along. I really like these. I'm just kind of forming it around. Just want to make a little bit of a snowball here. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's good. And then right in, I'm just gonna even it out a little bit. That's good. And now I'm just gonna oil the top of it because I don't want this drying out. I have just oiled this up. I am just using a canola cooking spray. You can use anything you want. Just add a little bit of oil in there and you can use your hands or a little brush. But you want to make sure that you get the top nice and moist. Close it up. And that's it. You have just made a no-fail pizza dough. I've been making pizza dough like this for over 30 years and I always have success. So I hope you do try this recipe out at home. So at this point, I'm going to leave this on my work surface for a good 90 minutes. I want to make sure that there's a lot of yeast action happening in the dough. And then if I want to use this tomorrow, after that 90 minutes, I will take this and I'll put it into the fridge and leave it there overnight. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave this here. I won't end the video yet. I will let this rise a little bit and then I'll come back a little later on just to show you what it looks like and then I'll finish off the video. Hey everybody, so this is about 90 minutes later and I want to show you how nice this dough is, and you can see how much it has risen. You can see a lot of that activity down there. Oh, this is a really nice dough, and as I'm tilting it, it's coming right out of there. If I just turn it like this, you can see that happening. And this here is ready to go in the fridge if you're going to be using this tomorrow night. And if you're going to be using it the same day that you made it, then you are ready to make a really amazing pizza. So hopefully you've enjoyed my video today. If you came to my channel and to this video just to see how pizza dough is created, there you have it. You can stop right there and you have all of the information that you need. I'm going to continue on in the second part of this video. So if you want to see that, right now you're going to be seeing a very large graphic appear on your screen. All you need to do is click it and you're going to go right into the second part of this video where I'm going to be using this exact dough and we're going to make a really nice pizza. So if you want to see part 2 of this video, touch your screen right now and we'll head over and start making the pizza.